Corona, lockdown, no business, stuck at home, crisis. Yes, we are all going through a crisis, and you know what? There is always an opportunity in a crisis. Good evening, dear fellow Toastmasters and esteemed guests. My name is Vikas Goenka, and today I am going to speak on crisis. It is actually a Greek word, and the meaning is decisive moment. As the meaning says, we need to decide in times of crisis what next. Either we can stop worrying, either we can start worrying and get desperate about the situation, or we can accept the situation as it is. What do you think the best option can be? In my opinion, we need to accept the situation as it is and plan further. We have the choice of looking back at everything what was lost, or looking forward and everything that can be gained. All crisis brings a great opportunity for all of us if we look it at closely and with a sound mind. Bigger the crisis, better the opportunity. Let me tell you one story here. You all have heard of Bhupendra Singh Rathod. He is an entrepreneur, a digital coach, a trainer, a motivational speaker. He is in this industry from last 8 to 10 years, and he is doing good. COVID pandemic hit all of us, and the entire country was locked down for some time. He was stuck in one of his resorts in Lonavala, and he was not able to come back to his home. You know what he did? He made the best possible utilization of the crisis. He started to coach his students digitally from his 200 square feet cubicle. He started to give advertisements in all sorts of social media platforms like Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, and other social media platforms. Huge success, and he got a lot of students, as most of them were free also. He did a whooping business of 4 crores in 4 months. Can you imagine the euphoria? Perhaps you must also be knowing some people or companies, those who have evolved best in the times of crisis. Now, I would like to share what I did in the lockdown period. I developed a habit of walking every day. I am a diabetic, and you know what was the result? Today, my sugar levels are in control, and I am doing good and healthy. Secondly, I read and completed the book Breaking the Habit of Being Yourself by Joe Dispenza, and started meditating regularly. I will do meditation, I'll do meditation, I'll start meditation. These were my thoughts from last 10-15 years, but I couldn't. Hopefully, thanks to Corona, I did it. On my business front, as I am a real estate consultant, I developed a website called www.guwahatiwarehouses.com, wherein we put up all the land and warehouses available with us throughout this 8-9 years. The best part. The best part is I did a 30-day course on how to become a digital coach by the same guy, Bhupendra Singh Rathod. I used the entire lockdown period for learning the course. I learned to shoot videos, to edit them, to apply the effects, mic, audio, in everything. I duplicated the process, created a course, and became a digital coach myself. Today, I have around 60 students from all across India. I have made them my associates, and they are searching and sourcing properties from me from all their respective locations. Top of all, I have earned a remuneration of around 1.5 lakhs from the speech. Just imagine, I do webinars, I have a YouTube channel, and the list goes on. In these times of crisis, I have emerged as a better and a different person altogether. Why I am sharing this with all of you, there is a reason behind that, and it's very simple. A lot of people sitting in this room may have something or the other in this mind. Only one thought and they can be through. If Vikas Goenka can do it, why can't I? Ladies and gentlemen, we must treat all the crises as opportunities given to us and do something new, something big out in these times. I would like to sign off with the quote by Albert Einstein. In the midst of every crisis lies a great opportunity. Thank you.